Burgers, hot dogs, corn on the cob. We all love easy summer night dinners outside with our families, right? Especially when it can all be cooked at one time in under 20 minutes, not inside, but outside while enjoying the beautiful weather. It just doesn't get any better. So join me for a quick, easy dinner, including juicy Smashburgers with my special sauce, perfectly cooked hot dogs, corn on the cob, and crispy curly fries. A family style dinner all cooked at one time on the 36-inch iron forged Blackstone with air fryer drawers. This is a family style favorite I know every Blackstone owner loves making at home. Okay, I love this iron forged 36-inch Blackstone with air fryer drawers. It's available at Ace. The option to not only griddle but to air fry, roast, and bake in the air fryer drawers just makes every meal fun and easy, and it keeps me out of the kitchen. And make sure that you're subscribed to our YouTube channel. Click that bell, that way you don't miss any of the fun, great ideas, tips, and tricks for you guys at home. Now, first things first, every week I make a batch of my burger sauce for not only burgers but dipping fries, veggies, crab cakes, and more. It's simple. Duke's mayo, ketchup, mustard, Worcestershire sauce, fresh grated garlic and onion. Grating it is going to hide it from the kids, but add tons of flavor, paprika, salt, pepper, and pickle juice. You could also use chopped up pickles, but since this is going into a squeeze bottle, I'm going to keep them out for now. Serve them on the side. Now, this is dinner in under 20 minutes. We've got fresh corn on the cob. It gets tossed in olive oil, or you can use butter, salt, pepper, then into one of the air fryer drawers for about 12 to 15 minutes on medium, shaking that drawer halfway through for even cooking. Our second drawer gets curly fries and take about the same time, shaking halfway through as well until crispy to your liking. For my hot dogs, I love scoring them for presentation and so that my seasoning really sticks to them, which is a dusting of the Blackstone SPG. Just let them rock and roll back and forth in a little bit of oil on low heat until done. This will give me time to get smashing. Prep is key when it comes to Smashburgers. It can be done in advance, which I always do the night before or in the morning. 80-20 ground beef, loosely packed and rolled into 4-ounce patties, thinly shaved sweet onion, and the only time I truly love this American cheese because it's a must for a classic smash burger. Now, my burners are on high heat where my burgers are going down. Place your burger balls meat down, pile high with onions, or you can leave them off, which I am on some of them for my picky kids. Season with salt and pepper, then using the burger smasher, and I like to use parchment paper for easy cleanup and so that it never sticks. Smash, hold down for 10 seconds. This helps to create a gorgeous crust on your burger, locking in the juices so that the juice cooks up into the burgers versus leaking out of your burgers. After about a minute and a half or until those sides start to turn color, flip them, add your cheese, and let those Martin potato buns, which are my favorite, right on top to warm. You'll keep repeating the process until all your burgers are done. I'm making doubles, of course, and one triple burger for my crazy son. Now, everything is done in under 20 minutes, ready to enjoy with my family outside. They enjoy helping me all the time cook on the Blackstone because it truly is so fun, and I never miss a beat on any of the action and fun with them outside. I truly love this griddle air fryer combination. It makes breakfast, lunch, dinner, even dessert so fun, so easy, so simple. I know you're gonna love it. Check it out at Ace. Make some Smashburgers, hot dogs, and enjoy your summer, guys. Be sure to check out my burger sauce recipe. I know you're gonna love it. And as always, you know my rule. If you make anything that I'm posting, share it. I love seeing you guys cooking our recipes at home. Until next time, I'm Blackstone Betty. I cannot wait to share another family style favorite with you in my next video.